Thank you. Another one.
With the rest of the day's business news.
You're not gonna get that one too easily. Grab me another one. You can do it. You'd do it a lot easier if you got the ball out of your hand. Thank you. Another one.
The country's leading left-wing think tank is out with its annual alternative federal budget, which
Another one.
more spending to create jobs while still moving towards.
Thank you. Another one.
Finance Minister Jim
Give me another one.
is dismissing the center's proposal and says he has no
Thank you.
intention of
Another one.
spending to stimulate the weak economy.
Keep it coming.
Market quotations for CIBC wood gun
Thank you.
PSS
Another one.
20 points to 12,879. The Dow's gained 3, now sitting at 14,450.
Thank you. Another one.
The Nasdaq is dipped 11 to 3,242. The Canadian dollar.
Careful of the knives. Knives are sharp. Daddy will take that away from you.
The price of oil's up 49 cents.
Grab something else.
92.55. And gold has risen.
You're gonna have to put the ball down, big guy.
Valued at $1,592.10.
Yeah? You don't need that because you're left-handed, aren't you?
On News Talk Radio 580 CFRA.
Hey? Are you left-handed?
Experience a live performance of Djokovic's